Nice one, guys. So basically, I'm outside in the back garden, and what I'm going to do, I'm just gonna simply show you what you can do if you have a juice machine at home. I'm going, you know what I mean, because it's meat-free Monday, and sometime I normally do some green smoothie like this. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna be doing straight celery with ginger, lemon, and that's it, guys. All right, very good for you, weight loss and detoxing. So if you have one of these juice at home, please use it. All right, it's very good. Now let's use some juice now. That's the sorry about that, guys. But anyway, so we're gonna put in some ginger, lemon. Yeah, is a must. Yeah, and I'm just gonna juice these now. So, as I can see, I get a nice little bit of the ginger and the lemon. Beautiful, fantastic, and nice. All right. So this is exactly what Chef Ricardo been talking about. All right, lovely, nice, and beautiful. Let's share it up. Lovely. As you can see, right here. And this is my glass. Straight. Wow. A little bit full up. It's fine. Haha. Why not? That's exactly what I'm talking about. Straight celery juice with ginger and lemon. Alright? If you like that one, please enjoy it, subscribe, and leave your comments in the description box. My name is Chef Ricardo. I try my best to give you the best recipe in this whole entire world. So stay tuned.